So tonight I wanted, before I went and got all the veg organized to put in the fridge, I wanted to let you know, as you know, we went to visit some family last weekend in Eastbourne, and I went to I would call it the Mauritian shop there, and I got some goodies. So let me show you what we got. Unfortunately, we've got only 2 left, and there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 7. There was a whole hand of these little deliciousness bananas. They are called banane gingerly. It's, well, you get them in Mauritius, and they are sweeter, a bit more firmer. I will let Teddy say a few words on that, because he can describe a bit better the taste. I am used to them, I love them, but what would Teddy say? They're less sweeter, I think.
Well, I thought they tasted like bananas, but they were, I can understand them being a bit creamier, if that makes sense, than normal bananas. So that was the only difference for me, personally.
So as you can see, they are so Moorish that you can eat 2 or sometimes 3. A bit indulgent. And then here, I've got some arouille. It's white arouille, and with this, I'm going to do gratin. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I should be able to do gratin with that. Nice one with like dauphinoise, potato dauphinoise, but instead of potato, it's going to be these little babies. And then over here, I've got pipangai. This is, I'm telling you that in Mauritian term, I've got to look up the English version of this. I think it's part of the gourd, I believe. So this, I'm looking forward, pipangai, I'm looking forward to do a chatini with not the leaves, the crust, this part, and inside there is a flesh. The outer flesh, I want to do chutney with it. I will vlog it when I do it. And inside, I want to do my mom's recipe, which is, I grew up with that pipangai with milk, sort of creamy, milky thing. So that's that. I've got 4 of those. And then this is Patol. I think this is the variety of, this is part of the bitter gourd. It's very nice. I love eating that. So I bought a little bit of beef skirt. So probably we might have that for dinner tomorrow. It will be a fricassee of patol with beef, little pieces of beef in that. So I will try and vlog that tomorrow night if I come back from work a bit earlier or something like that. So I might, yeah, because I would like to show you how I prepare it. So we'll try and do that tomorrow night. Okay.
What else are you going to do with it?
That's it, there's 4.
No, but what's inside?
Oh yes, I forgot. I'm going to try and plant it, guys. There are little seeds in there.
Show me.
I think so, look. There's seeds, look. I think there are seeds, so I will have a look. When I open it, cleaned it up, we'll have a look. I'm excited. I will get Patol made in England.
What are these? They're not made in England?
Well, no, the from the Indian shop. I think no, they're not planted here. I think they imported, I guess. And this is my ultimate favorite, curry leaves, fresh ones. They smell divine. If you do anything, you fricassee any vegetable with that, it is heavenly. The kitchen smells beautiful. So I think this is a very short one, just to show you, vegetable wise what we bought, so that we can put them away. Here they are, these little babies. They are called baby aubergines. They are a variety of aubergines. And I'm going to try and do Chetna stuffed aubergines. She stuffs it with gram flour, peanuts, and a spicy chat or mixture of spices. I'm looking forward. It's a curry basically, but Chetna way. So I'm going to do that this week as well. Good night, everybody.